Today I'll be talking about trust washer. Trust washer. You all know trust washer, or you can simply call it trust bearing. But the aspect I'm going to discuss about is, does every main bearing has a trust washer? Every main bearing does it have a trust washer? Look at what I'm talking about. For example, in a 4-cylinder engine, you are going to have about, in 4-cylinder engine, you have 5 main bearings. Yes, 5 main bearings. Does each main bearing has trust washer? The answer is no. Absolutely no. No, not every main bearing has trust washer. But how many trust washers do you have in an engine? It differs. It depends on the engine designs. The highest I've seen is three main bearing in an engine. In a 6-cylinder, sometimes you have main bearing at the flywheel side. No, we have trust washer at the flywheel side. Then you have trust washer at the front side. Then you have a trust washer at the center. So that means a main bearing at the flywheel side, we have a trust washer. The main bearing at the center, we have a trust washer. While the main bearing at the radiator side, which is the front side, we also have a trust washer. That means the main bearing number 1, number 4, and number 7. In main bearing in 6-cylinder engine, you are going to have 7 main bearing. So if there are 7, they may have 3 main bearing, 3 trust washers. Now, why in some engine it is only the center main bearing that has trust washer? In some engine design, you will notice that only the center main bearing has a trust washer. So in that engine, you may have just one trust washer, which is, with a 6-cylinder, it will be the number 4 that has because the number 4 will be at the middle. It is that very one that has the main bearing, while the rest will not have a main bearing at all. Why in some engine you have it at the flange on the both sides without anyone at the center? So the number of main bearing in an engine depends on engine design, but you should know better that not every main bearing has trust washer. No, I have not seen that before. So it's either, the most I've seen is 3-cylinder. Even I've worked on 8-cylinder engine, the highest I've seen is 3 trust washer. So maybe you have seen something different. You can mention in the comment section. I really appreciate that, so I can add that to my knowledge. Thank you for listening to me. Don't forget, not every main bearing has a trust washer. No, it can be 1, or it can be 3, or it can be 2. So it is between 1, 3, or 2. If it is 1, it will be at the center, to be at the main bearing center. And if it is 3, it will be 1 at the flywheel side, 1 at the front side, and 1 at the center. If it is 2, it's going to be 1 at the 2 be at the both ends, at the flywheel side and also at the front side. These are the ways in which different manufacturer uses trust washer in engine. See you in my next video. Thank you. Have you subscribed? Wow. Press the subscription button. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks.